is really a best part for my life. How do we buy?
Just an old shoe. Maybe does. I noticed this last night, but I couldn't quite place it.
My brain is
In
thinking
Christian
I don't know.
memory, that when I was a child, I saw the entity that killed my mother came through it. Don't get in the red door is a red door. Anyone can see it's a metaphysical one.
If I found a glitches spot from here, I'm gonna be shaken.
I pass through it. The deeper, the further I can find out what it means. I might be able to stop the thing that's haunting this house. This might help.
Ulit mo nga sa taas.
I spoke to you last night. Are you there? Can you hear me?
Lemon here. Bacon 1 to 3 and grandma's place.
Why did you say help her? Help who?
No, it isn't here. This is really easy. This but no. This is so easy, bro. So easy. I think they're blind. They're blind. Blind. They didn't see me. I just go off of it. I know where glitches spot in this area. Let's find something else. Let's find some glitches spot. There I blind, bro. They don't see me here, bro. Oh no. They just see me, bro. I want to sell this hotspot, but I don't like that was secret, and we are victory. Let's go. Level 54. I want to level 54 now, bro. Classic. And let's go from the back rooms. Okay, pyramids. All back. Back rooms. Back rooms. I am back rooms, bro. Back rooms. Guys, back rooms. I want to go back rooms. I think I have this spot here. Oh, 5v5. Who will win? Wild pyramid or backrooms? I think it's backrooms. Oh, I thought it was backrooms. Let's find a glitch spot over here. Glitch spot, glitch spot. Glitch spot. Let's find some glitch spot over here. Oh, it's over here. Is this okay? I think this is glitch spot now.
We stole once for yes, twice for no.
We're glitching right
Are
there.
you the woman I saw last night?
It's okay, bro.
An entity in this house that is trying to
They
protect
don't
our
see me.
son.
I'm gonna click out over here.
Are you that entity? Is there something you're trying to show me? Is what you want to show me
This is not enough glitch.
behind this wall?
Let's go, guys. Go over here.
Para sa tiyan mo. One.
Oh, let's go. This is a great spot, guys. If you want to try this, try this. I have glitch spot in here. Try this, guys. They won't see in here. They won't see you here. Try this, guys. Try this. This is so crazy, bro. They will not gonna see me in here, bro. Just look at this. Look at this. See? It was really good, bro. Easy. Easy. Very easy. And I have someone and there was not glitch spot, but she won't see him. We are really good at this game, bro. Next map, I gonna think there was a glitch spot next.
As mo, parang ano yung tiyan mo?
No. Bro, get. We just. Bro. Cause what the hell? Why did she go from there, bro? I just got found her. Let's just go for the grocery store. Grocery store. AFKO. Let's go for classic. Okay, PC. Oversized PC. Okay, bro. Oversized PC. I don't want to go out. Okay. Permanent map.
What is it?
2 times map bots.
6 yan. 7. 9. Hindi ba umaano yung tiyan mo para tumalit yan? Kapila. 1. 2.
I have a glitch spot here, guys. I have glitch spot
6. 7. 8.
here. Try this thing, guys.
Tumalit yung tiyan mo.
Subscribe if you want to try this.
Ngayon, masakit na yung bitin mo? Sumasakit? Yan.
Oh no,
Lakad-lakad ka
bro.
muna pag nawala yung sakit. Tayo mo. Iba naman. Oo. Dapat flat yung paa mo ha. Flat yung paa.
Oh no, bro.
Hindi na
Bro,
kaangat.
bro.
Ganito lang? Flat.
Let's do them like that. Now that's okay, perfect. Guys, if you want to do this, please like and subscribe. And if you want to comment if you want to hide from this area glitch. From this glitch area if you want. Like and
No, you
subscribe.
won't.
Move! Get away from her! I asked you, help me get rid of the ghost! Help me get rid of it! Why she have to come down here? Why? The ghost let us down.
Oh,
He's like,